Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This is a final project, 1_2_3. Students are working on their final project, and I have been asked, how do we do multiple screens? Okay, so this is a tutorial on how you do multiple screens. Um, so basically, you need to know your screen names. So this screen right here is called screen 1, and I forget if there's a way to edit the screen name. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to go in here and add a screen, okay? And just for the sake of, so I'm just going to, for the sake of argument today, I'm going to call it screen 2. Are you with me? And I'm going to go back and forth between screen 1 and screen 2. Are you guys with me on that? You guys may want to have a screen like main menu. You may want to have a screen called main game. You may want to have a screen called game over screen. Are you with me? I don't know what you're doing. So here's what you do. You just go into screen 2, and there's your screen. And it just becomes really like a second app. You guys with me on that? So it's like creating a second app. Now, here's the thing. You have to have a way to get back to that main screen. So probably what I would do is put in a layout and a horizontal arrangement, and the width is fill parent, and I'm going to put this button in here, and I'm going to center it like we always do. You guys with me on that? Okay. And I'm going to call this button BTN back to home. Or I'll just call it back to screen 1. Okay. And then I'll just call this home. Okay. So I want it to take me home. You guys with me on that? Does this make sense? Okay. So I'm just going to go to my background screen as none. Okay. Now watch this. This is all you do. All you're going to do is go in your blocks. I'm going to click on back to screen 1. When you click on it, what should happen? It should go back to screen 1, right? So you go into here, go into your control, and here it says open up another screen name. You guys with me on that? And then all you have to do is go get a text, and I have to have the exact screen name in here. Do you guys remember how we did images and it had to be the exact name of the image? Raise your thumbs if you remember that. You guys good on that? So in here, I'm just going to say, okay, I want to go to screen 1. Boom, done. All right. Now over in here, okay, if you go back to screen 1, so that'll take me back to screen 1. If I go to screen 1, maybe when this, so we could go into here like, right? Let's say when the timer gets to 0, when the game's over, what should happen? Maybe we want to go to that end screen. Are you with me on that? You guys getting this? Hello? Anybody out there? So if I wanted to, right? Where is all my code? Where? There it is. Okay. If you can't find your code, so sometimes you gotta zoom in, zoom out. Yeah. It's probably what I did is I hit arrange horizontally, okay, and it'll do that. Or you can hit arrange vertically, and it'll do that. You with me? There's all my code. That's a lot of code. I was going to say, we did a lot there. Yes. Yeah, she's on her way. So if I go in here and find my timer, and I got to go look it through here and find, we got to find where here it is, clock animate, right? Nope. There's where I'm scoring it. So remember here, if lives equals 0, right? Remember this right here? If lives equals 0. If lives equals 0, what do you know? Yeah, and what do you know about the game if you're at 0 lives? So here, when lives is equal to 0, game over, right? You guys with me on that? So all I got to do is go down here and say, open up another screen name. And what's the screen name that I want to open up this time? Screen 2, right? Okay. So this is how I go to screen 1 and screen 2. Do you guys see how I did that? That's all it is. It's one line of code. Open up another screen name, screen 2, and then when I go back over here, when I hit my home button, the home's going to take me back to screen 1. Who understands that? Okay, are we good?